Hi, welcome to this lesson. So in this lesson, we are going to be talking about self-invoking functions. All right. So you can make function expressions. You can make function expressions that we saw in the last lesson. Anonymous functions. You can make them self-invoking. So basically, you can make them call themselves. Okay. Let me show you how that works. So. But before that, let me tell you that you can't at all make function declarations, the usual form of creating functions, self-invoking. Okay, only function expressions can be made self-invoking. All right, so let's get to that. So how to make a function self-invoking? All you have to do is add a parenthesis after the function definition is done. Okay, before the semicolon. Remember, function expressions, they have a semicolon at the end, right? So before the semicolon, if you add a parenthesis, like just a parenthesis, you don't have to give anything. You don't have to give anything inside of it at all, just a parenthesis. So when browser gets to that particular parenthesis, that particular line of code, it'll execute that function without having to be called by a function call. Okay. So let me show you an example. So if I just create a function like this, okay? Just a function like this. And then I'm just going to alert I am a self-invoking function like this, okay? Is this going to work? Nope. First of all, I'm getting a syntax error because there's no function name, so that's not working. So if you want this to work, what you can do is you can encase the entire thing inside of a parenthesis, and you can open another parenthesis like this and do it like this. Now if you do it like this, see? Now you're getting the alert. So this is how you can do, or you can make a this is one way of making a self-invoking function. Just create a function without a function name and then encase it within a parenthesis, and after that open an empty parenthesis like this and finish it off with a semicolon like this. So if I create something with a function name like that, it's still going to work because I'm encasing it within a parenthesis. Okay, if I wasn't encasing it within the parenthesis like this, it's not going to work. It's going to say unexpected token. Okay, so that's not going to work. So first of all, you have to encase something within the encase the function within a parenthesis. Okay, and after that you have to give this. Or you can just create a traditional function expression the usual way like this, and then you can create something like this, and then you can inside of here you can say hello like this. Okay, but here you'd open up your parenthesis and end everything with a semicolon like that. So if you do this, see, you're getting your output. So all you have to do with your function expression is at the end add an empty parenthesis like this, and then close it off with a semicolon like this. That's it. Okay. Alright, so that's your self-invoking function. So I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.